Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Jason 21 adjustable automobile cup holder system for iPad. Yes, that's right. It is an iPad holder. It is also a smartphone holder, of course, but I'm going to use it as tablet holding system inside your car. Cradle mount for example, Apple iPhone XS, Max 8 Plus 7 Plus Samsung, Galaxy S10, S9, S8 Plus, blah blah blah. All devices are compatible with the device. And the special thing is, it is a cup phone and a tablet holder system for your cup holding system itself. Wow, this is another mount as at the other car device holding system I used before. You have a wide compatibility. The car holder with flexible neck adjustable for 4 up to 8 inches phones such as iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XR, 7, etc. down there. Samsung Galaxy devices, S10, S9, S8 Plus, etc. And it is suitable for all iPads or other 7 to 11 inches tablets. Woo! This is a special thing, I think, on this device. It will come 7.9 and 7.9 inches iPads, iPad Pro 11, 10.5, 9.7, iPad Air, iPad Mini, Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, 9.6, 10.1 inches, Samsung Galaxy Tab 5, Tab S, S2, etc. You have a 360-degree rotation-able thing. The car holder is equipped with a 360 degrees rotating phone holder system. It can be rotated 360 degrees. That means it can circle around for a landscape or portrait view. Enjoy a safe and optimal viewing angle. It will avoid scratches. 3 thick sponges on the top and on the bottom of the car holder will protect your phone or your tablet against scratches. This can help prevent against scratches, etc. The extended base of the car mount may not be larger enough to fit in a much larger car mount. If you are faced with the following problems, please stick the sponge to the base. The car holder snaps well into your car cup holder, and the additional rubber tape things you can extend if it does not match at the first time. The car holder has a flexible net, and it is adjustable, and it fits different phones. Press the button on the side of the neck to extend and fit the larger devices. Pull out the bottom of the slider to improve the tablet hold system. And it is really easy to attach. The only thing you have to do is push it into your cup holding system and then rotate it until it is fixed. Job's done. That is all. And of course, you have to get the holding system itself in position. Maybe there are some problems. The expanded base of the car cup holder for cell phones is still not large enough. If you're faced with this, use the sponge to the base. The car holder will lock your car holder well in position. That means you can get the additional thing for it. Job's done. Yeah? That is a very well made car holder for mobile phones, and the designs fit perfectly in each car or cup holding system. Attach the back of the phone holder to the gooseneck. Push the gooseneck up to tighten the phone holder itself. and then rotate the base. Left is expand, right is close. Then you can glue the sponge to the base if the extension base is not large enough to fit the car cup holder. But in my case, I used it on my Neptune car. It is an Audi A3 Sportback. It works with the standard thing. No problem with it. Press the button on both sides of the phone holder to expand the clip. Then open the two foldable holding feet and full engage the additional locking system to lock your device securely. You will get a gooseneck base, a cell phone holder, 3 small soft sponge for additional, and it is really easy, as you can see, to install it immediately. And after this, it is easy to use, and I like the tablet version for my car. If you have the cup holding system on the rear side, maybe your passengers on the back bench can use that too, to have some fun with your iPad or your other tablet, watch films, watch movies, surf in the internet, etc. Or watch my channel while you are driving and the passengers are having fun with my channel videos. Oh yeah, by using, for example, this adjustable automobile cup holder for iPad. Here you can see it, and it works. You lock it, you get it, you have a good device. It is really easy to assemble. It will not break your car or break your pet. It is a stable and good device. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.